One of our clients, who manufactures waterjet cutting instruments, was having trouble managing and storing their data and maintaining their turnaround time. This is because our client utilized different applications such as Quickbooks, Microsoft Excel, and other nesting applications to manage their internal processes. This made collecting data and catering to orders difficult, as it led to a delayed response to the customers and an overall loss of business. We solved our client's problems by introducing Odoo, an all-in-one business software that integrates accounting, sales, and nesting applications into a single platform. This integration solved key problems such as turnaround time and customer response. This is the website module of Odoo. Here we will demonstrate how our clients and customers log into the website and generate quotations. This is the importer screen, where the customers will upload his or her computer-aided designs. By pressing the Submit button, various parameters like cut length, entry points, and dimensions of product are passed into Odoo's backend. This is the part parameter screen, where customers will select the material type, thickness of material, alloy type, and the finish type along with the quantity of each part. As we can see, a quotation is generated instantly for the customer, where he or she can then sign and confirm the quotation on the same screen. Now we can log into the same website using administrator credentials and move to the sales module of Odoo. We can see the corresponding quotation created in the backend, which is populated with the line items that the end customer chose. Even on this screen, we can edit the parameters of the product such as material type, thickness, alloy, cut length, entry points, and others. We can also print the documents to deliver a hard copy of the same to the customer. Under the Attachments menu, we can download the individual computer-aided design files which were uploaded by the end customer while creating the quotation. We can now move to the next step of the sales cycle and confirm the quotation, which converts it into a sales order. This is where we can create an invoice. We have different options to choose from. We can either deduct a down payment expressed as a percentage or an amount and then create the invoice. We can also edit the invoice before validating it. After clicking on Validate, we are asked to register payment. We have the option to use the end customer's credit card details to charge the customer through our integration with Authorize.net. The customer can also navigate to the My Account page on the website and pay for the quotation by entering his or her card details. This concludes our video. For more information and tutorials, check out bistasolutions.com. Thanks for stopping by.